Abre tu puerta cerrada, que en tu balcón luz no hay. El amor. Abre tu puerta cerrada, que en tu balcón luz no hay. El amor a ti te vela. Partemos, Rosa, partemos de aquí. Abre tu puerta cerrada, que en tu balcón luz no hay. El amor a ti te vela. Partemos, Rosa, partemos de aquí.
There's some slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, quick. It's most or less in that order, you know. First you start with slow, and you open your right foot. Slow, and a quick forward, and a quick U-turn. Slow to the left, and a back Yemenite. Now going to the center with the left foot. Slow, slow, and a back to trade. That is the first part. Repeat one more time, and we finish with the transition part. I'll repeat again. To the right, and a walk to three. Pass to three, turn, and a slow to the side. Back to three, Yemenite. Slow in to the right, and a back to three. And you add the transition part with a one brush and open. Like 1, 2, 3. That is the first part of the dance. I'll let you maybe one more time with the right foot. On the right, and a walk 2, 3. Turn to the right. To the left, and the back in the knife. So left, so right, back, repeat again. On 1, and a walk 2, 3. Fast, you turn, slow. Back 2, 3. On the left, on the right, and the back 2, 3. The transition, open right. Brush your left, open left. That is the first part of the dance. Second part of the dance, open right, touch left, open left. Oh no, sorry, before another part, sorry. A short part, sorry, I forget this one. To the right, the rhythm now is going to be slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. Once to the right, once to the left. Right, left, and quick U-turn, left, right, and a quick U-turn. That is the second part, very simple part. And the last part, so right, touch left, slow left, touch right. You see, my hand left, my left hand is on my hip all the time, and my right is waving. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to turn to the right, 1, 2, 3, turn, and touch my left. And waving my arm, circling my right arm. 1 and 2, touch left. To the left, the same. 1 and 2, touch right. Okay? Let's repeat again. To the right. Let's do before the second part. Right, left, turn 2, 3. Left, right, turn 2, 3. Open wide, touch left, open right, touch right. Now, turn 2, 3, touch your left, turn 2, 3, touch your right. And you start the dance from the beginning.